Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Tecno Pop 5 LTE. So guys, there you can see we have the phone and it's locked by a battery lock. So I'm going to show you how you can unlock it by hard resetting the phone. First of all, we just have to power off our phone. Just turn off your phone simply, and when it's turned off, hold the power button and the volume down key together to boot into recovery mode. Keep holding the volume down key, but release the power button when you see the Tecno logo. Now the phone is in recovery mode. So now from here, just select wipe data, reset, go to factory data reset, and press power key. And as there you can see, our phone is being restored. And then now you just simply have to reboot system now, and your phone will be rebooted in normal. Now it may take up to 5 minutes. You have to wait patiently. And that's it guys. So that's how you can restore your phone. That's all this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up.